guys, I need the show. So hey guys, it's me Reagan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, wait, let me go get something. We will be testing out my 3 slimes and seeing if they are good. When I was in the other video, we're still going to test it. So first is the slime in yesterday's video. I really like it. It's stretchy, makes good slime swirls. Let's see how it crunches. That's good. And then the poke-in's good. So this will get a 10 out of 10. So go buy these slimes. They're $1.03. I want. It looks like it's melted, but it's not. Okay, guys. Is this a bad idea? Okay, this slime is gonna get this slime's ruined. And that doesn't even look like a hot fudge sundae. It looks like, ew. Why am I touching this stuff? It literally feels so gross. This is gonna get a 1 out of 10. I like how it crumbles up together, and that's all. The rest, you kidding with poke it? Well, it's kind of stretchy, so it's gonna get a 2 out of 10. And there's a piece of that's another slime. Oh my god. Guys, this is gross. Yuck. This does not feel good. Well, it feels good, but like, texture is messy. I'm testing out 3 of my favorite. Okay. Oh, literally there's some good parts of this slime and then there's some bad. So, look at the top. It looks so good. And at the bottom, oh, this is actually pretty stretchy. Last time I saw it, it had mold in it. I don't see the mold anymore. I think somebody like took it out or something. This is so much fun to play with. It's stressing. It came with a bubble. I know. Guys, this is not that stretchy though. Okay. So I don't want to touch any more slime. Oh my god, this is freaking me out. IDKY. So, and then after you guys, I just decided that we were gonna mix all of them and see what the comparing is. And then we're going to take the hat. Okay, time to mix. I'll take the pink one, the blue, and the yellow one. Comparing actually really good. Okay, guys, take that back. They're all just mixing by themselves. Well, take that back. Okay, the pink one is not gonna compare. So we are taking that out. Like, cause it's so thick. So just the blue and the yellowish one. You guys like Reagan. It looks so cool, but it feels like snot. Okay guys, it's coming out a little bit stringy, but that's okay. At least it's working a little bit.
It's a place for people to come, be outside, get an education at the same time.
The Newmans have continued to grow the range. In 2017,
Look how sturdy this is, guys. Looks like Spider-Man. Okay guys, I don't know how am I gonna end the video. It's because my hands are messy and I have to touch the screen to end the video. Oh god. And my hands are so slimy! If you guys are like, Reagan, your hands are not even slimy at all. Yes, they are! And this, yuck, I can't even look at it. Yuck. Just yuck! Oh, but that's cool, because it looks like spider webs, and it actually feels like cotton spider webs mixed with like goo or something. Okay, I'm gonna keep on trying to mix this. Papa, let me, guys, it's coming together! I've been mixing this for like 5 minutes only. Oh my gosh, this feels such like a Spider-Man. I might call this Blue Spider-Man. It's because this is so thick, so nice. Literally, it's not crunchy yet because I haven't crunched it. And I bet it's not going to be crunchy, but that's okay with me. I don't really care about crunching. No, poking, I meant, sorry. Guys, I might just give this away to one of you guys. Look how good this is now. Let's stretch it far. Okay, I will be making a Roblox video maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe never, I don't know. Tell me, okay, I'm going to go on Instagram, follow us, Rebecca Hardesty, until I will be doing an Instagram poll and telling me if I should do it this week or next week. So I'm going to say Swan for 1 and Pink for 2. So make sure you go on my Insta. And don't look at my videos, just don't. Well, my hands are starting to get unsticky, so I can post a video, but let's see what happens if I mix both of these back together. Oh, makes a nice feeling. It's because this is stiff, and that other, like the blue one, that was just the one that we didn't make. That was already this slime, and then the one I mixed with this and that one. I go back to you. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and like that button and turn on your notifications if you have not already. And, yeah, turn on post notifications again. And go Black Friday shopping. So, yeah, guys. Bye.